Once you have 500 naira, you can surely place withdrawal. Let me try and check if this withdrawal is open right now. Okay, you don't invest any money inside this platform. Okay, edit your bank. My bank has been edited. Okay, let's see what is going to happen now. Okay, all right. So my account number is the same thing I'm using. Let me type that. So let's see what happened. Okay, let me please draw for 600 naira. Let's see what happened. Okay, processing. You get to find the money is sent. All right, it's already on processing. Let's see. I did not invest one. This is the remaining balance. Okay, let's see. Okay, the output. So guys, as you can see, this is the money I withdraw. No charges. All right, I said no charges there. They won't deduct any charges from you. Okay, you can read the free money is for you. All right, so just once you withdraw, your money can take 72 hours, 48 hours, 12 hours to drop. All right, so this is free money you are making, no investment at all. I made 600 naira for free. So let's go to what is the website I'm talking about. Still same website I'm talking about. Okay, let me log into the website I'm talking about. All right, okay, so this is the website. So you have to calm yourself down. Okay, very easy. Okay, this is my withdrawal. As you can see, this is my withdrawal. You can see it will be approved. Okay, that is my withdrawal. It will be approved. I withdraw 600 naira. All right, minimum withdrawal is 500 naira. There's nothing we do there. Make sure you join their Telegram. Okay, you join their Telegram. All right, so look at the task given to you. Okay, it is necessary for you to watch how to complete tasks. Don't say you know how to do it. You have to follow their own pattern. You can see that I have a pending because I did not follow the normal thing. That's why I have a pending 4 naira pending. Okay, these are the way this thing accumulates for me and it's make money. Okay, so these are the tasks. You can see more tax loads. It's one of 32. A lot of tax every day. Every minute they change their tax. So once you join their Telegram, you will see updated task. Okay, you check their tax. Okay, refer can also give you money. Okay, try and refer. Once you refer, you're going to earn money by referring. This is where you copy your referral. You have 60% of everything they have made so far. Okay, so if you have any pending tax, you can view. Okay, if you want to do engagement tax, these are the engagement tax. Okay, if you want to do post tax, that you're posting things, these are the post tax. Post tax are not so many and the money is so minute. Okay, engagement tax is the real tax. Okay, if you can do all these things, 6 naira did there. All right, 10 naira, 7 naira, 7.5. Okay, so you can see. So as you are doing this thing, make sure you set necessary things. Okay, do all these things, please. Make sure you fill all this, fill all this, fill all this, fill it up, fill it up. Okay, make sure you fill it up, fill it up. It will end. Okay, your withdrawal. So once your money is complete, all right, maybe you should have reached. So edit your bank details, put your bank details there, save it. Okay, so you can withdraw your money. All right, so I've withdrawn and I've received my money without any charges. That's the lovely part. You are not investing any amount, guys. The link to register is attached to video description. Most of you don't know how to check video description. Once you click on this video, make sure it takes you to YouTube. Once it takes you to YouTube, you will see what I wrote some things under the title and everything. Click see more. You are going to see a registration link there. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is the only thing you can do for me. Okay, click the subscription bell, open the notification button so that you can get update anytime. I have 57 naira. Let's wait and see. I'm going to withdraw again next week. See you guys in my next video.